Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Ahead of the Fed meeting in the US, the Reserve Bank of India has created a stir in the Indian markets by suddenly increasing interest rates. The prime rate has been increased by 40 bips points, and the CRR has also been increased by 50 basis points. Behind it, we saw a sudden drop in the benchmark indices. Nifty and Sensex closed down 390 and 1300 points respectively as compared to its previous close. However, the US markets recovered sharply in the second half of the trading session as Mr. Powell dashed speculation that the Fed was weighing an even larger increase of 75 basis points in the months ahead. So that was the fear that Fed will increase interest rates, maybe not now, in the future by 75 basis points, and that's the reason the market was down in the US since last almost 7-8 days. But yesterday, after this specific announcement, we saw spectacular rally, and Dow Jones closed nearly 900 points higher. But technically, if we go through with our markets, then there it was the sudden shock, and due to that the market has broken its crucial important support, which was around 16,800. It closed below the same comfortably, along with weakness in almost all other indices. Based on technical formation, we are of the view that markets are heading for the levels of at least 16,400 or 16,200 in the near term. On the upside, previous support would act as major resistance for the market, and that's the reason 16,800, 16,900 would act as major resistance in the near term. Reducing weak long positions, it's advisable near 16,800 levels, and contra buying is recommended only around 16,200 and below. 16,400 would act as major support in the near term, but if we go through with the entire pattern of the Nifty, then around 16,200 the market should bounce back. Till then, the market going to trade between the range of 16,800, 16,900 on the higher side, and maybe 16,200 and 16,000 on the downside. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw a closing below the important level of 35,400. Based on that, the next level to watch out for would be 34,500, and yesterday it closed around 35,200, 250. Even if we go through with FIs positions in the FNO market, then there also they have created short positions, and it's a huge short position that they have created in yesterday's trading session. So based on that, we are expecting market to find resistance after opening higher. Currently, Singapore Nifty is indicating 140, 150 points gain as compared to its previous close. So after opening higher, the strategy should be to stay away from taking any long position. Instead, we should look for reducing some long positions. And for the stocks and sectors, we need to be more and more selective in the near term. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day to all of you.